Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Power BI, how to clear all your slicer selections at once with just a single click. If you've ever spent time clicking through each slicer individually to reset your filters, this is really going to speed up your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a Clear All button that instantly resets every slicer on your report page, making your reports cleaner and way more interactive for your viewers and colleagues. Let's jump right in. So first things first, make sure you've got your report open in Power BI and that you've already set up some slicers, maybe for things like date ranges, categories, or regions. If you don't have slicers yet, just remember these are the little filter panels where users can interactively choose what data they want to see. For example, you might have a slicer to view only sales in a certain quarter or to filter by product type. Now here, where the magic happens. Go up to the top of your Power BI window and look for the Insert tab in the ribbon. Go ahead and click on Insert. This is your main hub for adding all kinds of interactive elements and visuals into your report. Think of it like adding spices to a recipe to make it really pop. Once you're in the Insert tab, scan across the options until you find Buttons. Click on Buttons, but don't stop there. Hover over it until you see a drop-down menu. Now at the very bottom of that drop-down, you'll find an option labeled Clear All Slicers. This button is specifically designed to save you from having to manually click each slicer and select Clear one by one. It's a bit of a hidden gem, so if you haven't used it before, you're about to make your report a lot more user-friendly. Go ahead and click on Clear All Slicers. Power BI will add the button right onto your report canvas. You can move it around and resize it just like any other shape or visual. Place it somewhere your users can easily find it, like the top corner or near your slicers for fast access. Now for the magic moment. When you're viewing your report in Power BI's reading or view mode, not while you're editing, you'll need to press Control on your keyboard and then click the Clear All button. So it's Control plus click together. If you're presenting your report, you can tell your users to do the same. As soon as you do that, you'll see all the slicers reset to their default state in an instant. It's almost like hitting a reset button on a messy whiteboard, just wipes everything clean so you can start your analysis fresh. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've got this Clear All Slicers button in your report, you'll never have to tediously reset filters one at a time again. This tiny tweak can make a huge difference, especially if you've got lots of slicers or if colleagues often get stuck trying to get back to the original view. If this Power BI trick saved you time today, go ahead and smash that like button. Got any questions about slicers or Power BI dashboards in general? Drop them down in the comments. I love helping out. And if you want more straightforward tutorials to make your reporting easier and more powerful, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.